morning! Today we're talking about Github Actions secrets. Let's do this. Intro! I've been doing a lot of Stack Overflow lately, and one of the questions that I see a lot is like how to handle secrets and basically how they work. So let's get to it. Secrets are basically encrypted environment variables that GitHub Actions utilizes within the workflow. The idea behind these secrets are so that you can have sensitive data like API tokens or any kind of information that is required for your application within your CI/CD process, but you don't want to just allow it to be logged within the workflow, and therefore that's why you use secrets. You can have two types of secrets: repository secrets or organizational secrets. The idea behind the repository secrets are that you can only utilize them within that repo, and organizational secrets are the ones that you can share between different repositories. And you can either assign organizational secrets to all the repos in that organization, or you can select different repos to which apply those secrets. So in this GitHub repo that I created, we're going to go to settings and create a repo secret. Here you can see that I have some organizational secrets, so we're gonna ignore those for now and go to a new secret, and let's call this Candy Apple Secure, and then we'll just say candy as the value. The secret name within this case needs to be alphanumeric, and it allows also underscore, but you cannot have numbers being the first character in the name. You can look at more at the description below where I will put the documentation of GitHub Actions on secret creation, and the value in this case is your actual secret. You can only have one value per secret, so in this case if we have a token, we add token, or password, you just print it in here. In this case our secret is candy, so we're gonna say add secret, and now we're just gonna have that. And if we go to our code, we basically have this simple workflow, and we're going to try to print out the secret, and we're going to pass it as an environment variable. You can actually pass it directly within the path if you wanted to, so I could technically do this to pass it, right? But we're going to pass it as an environment variable for now. And let's say, put this here and name it Candy Secure as the environment variable. Going to print that out. Cool, and that's going to run our workflow. We look at the logs. And again, you don't want to actually do this in an actual workflow for your repo. This is just for me testing purposes and to show you. So you can see that GitHub actually hides the secret, and both when you echo it and also when it actually displays the EMVs. But let's say that I want to show you that the secret actually is candy, so we can easily do this to show you that the secret is actually the one that we set, and we know that we set it as candy, so we can just do this real quick, right? And then what this is basically going to do, got secret, it's basically saying that if my environment variable that I got from my secret is actually candy, then display got secret. We need the actual equals. Yeah, let's see. There we go. So now you can see that it says that it got the secret. Now let's say that you want to set up an organizational secret. So let's just go to the organization, and here is Meroware instance. So we go to settings of the organization, and then I'll go to secrets. And in here you see my organizational secrets, and we're going to add a new one, and we're going to call it pair magic secret, or let's just say secure, and it can be whatever you want, the name. And we're going to call this pair, and instead of saying so this is what we're saying. So you can have repository access to the to all public repositories. Normally you would be able to do private repositories, but since I have a non-paid organization, then it's not going to allow me to do that, so you have to pay for that. Or you can select the repository that you want. We're going to use this option, and we're going to select the example that I just mentioned, which is GitHub Actions secrets, and then we're going to update selection, and then we're going to add the secret. Let's copy that over and go back to our action, and we're going to create pair secure and pass the secrets, and we'll say we'll just copy this stuff, get the pair, and then say get secret pair. Then we'll go back, and cool. So then what is gonna happen is that now when it receives the pair, then it's going to print out, hey, receive secret pair. When I look at it, then you'll see that it says get secret, and then the funny part is that because the secret is the actual value, then it basically hashes that actual value. So because pair is the secret, then it puts that. So if we actually want to print it or print something that's not pair, then let's change that to get secret pair, let's say something else. Cool. So in here, it actually will print out the something else because that's not a secure value. So then it's got secret something else. That's pretty much it. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Go to the description where I will leave some resources from GitHub Actions so you can read more upon secrets. And I'll see you next time.